have Alyssa.
Hello po.
Hello there, and I have Patricia.
Hello po.
Okay. Pinagpares ko kayo. Nagulat ba kayo kayong pinair ko?
Opo.
Pinag-pair ko kayo kasi nung blind auditions, narinig kong parehong OPM yung ginawa ninyo. Parehong may power ang boses ninyo. At the same time, may gentleness. I love that combination. Now, I'm sorry, I don't mean to pressure you, but I will. Because itong kantang to, ayoko sanang piliin. Kasi sinulat ito ni Willie Cruz na hindi yata naiintindihan ng mga tao kung gaano ko kamahal. I'll give you your divisions and your lyric sheets. This is what is considered by my fans of many years. I made this movie when I was 18 going on 19. And then, no, I'm sorry, I was 20. I just had Casey. Excuse me. Wala pa yung kanta. Ayan. Since Mr. Cruz died, since Willie died, Willie was a good friend. Yung mga kantang Sana'y Wala na Wakas, Bituing Walang Ningning, Pangarap na Bituin, that's my trilogy. I call it my Tala trilogy. Theme songs ng movies ko yon. I've explained this to you because this is how special this song is. So, isa ito sa mga kantang yon na ginawa niya, na naging malaking hit. At yung kakambal na pelikula, naging malaking hit din. Itong tatlong ginawa niya. Pero he made me other songs pa aside from these. Now, I feel when they hear this song, they think of me. Pero they need to think that half of it rightfully belongs to Willie. So, please give it your best. This is the national anthem of Sharonians. But more than anything, it was written by somebody that I love very much. So, I have not listened to this song since he died. I have not been able to listen to any of the songs he made for me. I've been listening to all the songs he's made for Nonoy, Sonigan, Shasha Padilla, and everyone else, Haji Alhat, but not my songs. Okay? So, ang pangalan ng awit na ito, ano pa nga ba, kundi ang Sana'y Wala Nang Wakas. So, please forgive me if I'm emotional, but I'll be listening to you. And I believe ang gagaling ninyong dalawa, so please give it your heart. Read the lyrics, feel the words for me, okay? And then give it, please sing it better than I ever could. Okay? Let's go, direct.
Sana'y wala nang wakas, kung pag-ibig ay wakas, paglalamping sa iyong piling ay ligaya kong walang kahambing. Kung di malimutan ng tadhana, bigyang tundok ang ating ligaya. Walang hanggan ay hahamakin, pagkat walang katapusan kitang iibigin. Kahit na ilang tinik ay kaya kong tapakan, kung yan ang paraan upang landas mo'y masundan. Kahit ilang punit ako'y iyong sapanin
grabe. I felt, thank you. Thank you for doing that. I'm sure he's happy. I'm very happy. Yung ending lang, pagsabay ninyo, kahit magkaiba ang estilo o magkaiba ang tono, sabay nyo lang. Para may... Pero I felt it. I felt every word. I felt every word. Ang ganda-ganda ng kombinasyon ninyong dalawa na pareho kayong magaling pero magkaibang quality ng boses nyo. Ang galing ng... May sarili kayo, may kanya-kanya kayong estilo. I love that. I'm glad I put you together. Okay, thank you. I'll see you in the next rehearsal.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much.